Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to give you 10 Telugu words dictation. Okay, first I'll be telling you the words. You have to write those words, then I'll show you the correct words. Okay, you can check whether you wrote correct or wrong. Okay, so let's start. So this video is useful to the kids who are learning Telugu. Fine, it's okay if you write mistakes. Okay, we can learn slowly, no problem, but try to write correctly. Okay, so let's start. The first word is aushadham. 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 Second word is pathashala. Pathashala. Next word is udyogam. 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 First, I'll repeat. First word was aushadham. Second, pathashala. Pathashala. Udyogam. Fourth word is snehitulu. 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 The next word is after snehitulu, vennela. Listen, vennela. Okay, vennela. There is a double sound, vennela. Next one is television. Television. English word television you have to write in Telugu. Television. Next one, Vikramarkudu. 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 After Vikramarkudu, Satkarinchu. 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 Next word is Sainyam. 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 After Sainyam, last word is Prayatnam. 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 So now I'm going to reveal the words so you can check whether you wrote correct or not. So these are the words, children. Aushadham. Aushadham is medicine. Pathashala. Pathashala is school. Udyogam. Udyo. Doko otvam dirgham yaottu. Udyogam. Job. Work. Snehitulu. Friends. Vennela. Moonlight. Television. See, in Telugu we don't have j sound. J. So we can use ja, and it's television. No half sound. So you have to use pollu. This symbol is called pollu. Television. Vikramarkudu. Satkarinchu. Sainyam. So television, you know. Vikramarkudu is a name. Satkarinchu, like to award, to like giving respect. Like awarding is Satkarinchu. Sainyam, army. Prayatnam, to try. Okay, These are the correct words. Tell me how many of you got all correct in the comment section. Bye bye.